What's going on, everybody? It's TalkPicks by Tim, and in today's video I wanted to look over Cleanspark stock, or CLSK. We're going to look at the chart. We're also going to look over an event that just happened here and a few other little things. So let's look over a couple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Consider checking out the links down below to some stocks and crypto, and let's take a look at Cleanspark. But first, don't forget to check out their YouTube page. They do post on it somewhat often. They do put out their mining updates, although not as quick as I do. But recently they had this event here, and there were a few important figures speaking. We had the City of Norcross mayor speak about Cleanspark, giving very great words to them. Also the Gwinnett County Board of Commissioners chairwoman. So I recommend you check out these couple of videos here. There will be a link down below to Cleanspark's YouTube page. But what we're going to look at here is a recent award that was given to Zach Bradford, and this was at the Las Vegas Top Tech Awards. And the link will be down below for you if you want to look over the whole thing, but we're just going to look over Zach Bradford's portion here. Now, Zach Bradford is one of the founders of Cleanspark, a sustainable Bitcoin miner, served as the president and CFO before becoming the CEO in 2019. Sourcing and investing in low-carbon energy sources like wind, solar, nuclear, and hydro, Cleanspark aims to develop sustainable infrastructure for Bitcoin and the people around the world who depend on it. Now, Cleanspark began as an energy company before progressing to Bitcoin mining under Bradford's leadership in 2021. Described as a monumental year for the company, Bradford led the company through a full rebrand, multiple acquisitions, and a facility expansion. Today, Cleanspark is one of the leading North American Bitcoin miners by production and one that operates responsibly for the environment. And I wanted to add in, if any of you guys remember when this was just purely a microgrid play, let me know down in the comments if you were here before they were actually Bitcoin miner. And moving on, Bradford's leadership approach is patient and transparent. He allows his curiosity to fuel his innovation. It was during an energy consultation for a Bitcoin facility that Bradford initially realized Cleanspark's energy technology can lessen the environmental impact. So they were actually checking out a Bitcoin mining facility and seeing how their microgrid could benefit it when he got the bright idea to actually start mining Bitcoin as a company. But he basically realized that Cleanspark's energy tech can lessen the environmental impact of Bitcoin and end the stigma of crypto's high energy usage. And in less than a year, Cleanspark's Bitcoin mining hash rate has tripled and now accounts for almost 1.5% of the global hash rate, all with significantly lower energy costs. And I just want to add that I'm extremely impressed with this company, considering only a few years ago they were a microgrid business. And to imagine that now they're right there around 20 Bitcoin per day. And remember, guys, we are going to get a mining update just in a couple of days here. Usually it comes out in the beginning of the month, anywhere from the 1st to the 5th. So be on the lookout for that. I will be giving you guys a mining update right when it drops. And I did want to bring up that we do have a downtrend reversal coming up here still, somewhere towards the end of this year. But zooming in, the chart is still bearish. It was only a few days ago that we created a new lower low. And you'll notice that we tried to hold this 275 as a support. Once we broke it, it found resistance there. I'll zoom in a bit better for you. But you'll see it found resistance there, just wasn't able to break back above that support. It became a resistance and we just started falling even further. I believe in this long term, so I'm still a believer in DCAing. But just from a technical standpoint, this looks very bearish. And of course, as Bitcoin continues down, as Bitcoin continues to just trade sideways, sitting in the mid-teens, it's definitely not going to help Cleanspark out. Now, in terms of their earnings coming up, I do think their earnings is going to come out pretty good compared to some previous months, just based on what our mining updates have been and where they've sold their Bitcoin at. But I've got a video coming up in more detail about their actual earnings. We are still a little bit away from that. But you see that Cleanspark found support at $2 and bounced. We'll see if it comes back down there. If it breaks 2, we're likely to come down lower, but I remain confident in Cleanspark. The company continues to increase their hash rate. They're one of the top North American miners, and the only thing that justifies the current price is Bitcoin's downtrend. This company's market cap doesn't deserve to keep going up if Bitcoin is going down in price, and that's what we've been seeing over the last couple of months. However, I do think things will turn around very soon. Bitcoin plays on cycles, and I still believe it is all going according to plan. Bitcoin is right towards the end of its crypto winter, and before you know it, we'll get back into that hype. Everyone will realize that the halving is only a year away soon. But that's it for you guys for now. I'm gonna get to editing and hopefully uploading this in a timely fashion. Thanks as always, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Take it easy.